And let me just change something here real quick. So the summons is pretty straightforward. Again, my system autofills everything. The only thing you need to do, again, enter your court information. And remember, I told you, make sure the names are exactly the same as listed on the petition here, is you just need to make sure that with the court information that you add your name here. So it's name, address, telephone number, petitioner. That just all goes in here. And that's it for the summons. It's good to know what's going on as far as the standard family law restraining orders. Keep in mind, and I guess this would be a good time to talk about this, when you're using our service or you're doing your own divorce and you guys are amicable, while these are restraining orders to be aware of, these are meant to protect the parties in cases that where people are going through maybe not an amicable divorce, and they're doing things like hiding money, concealing assets or property, taking the children away, uh, cashing out the money, or canceling beneficiaries on health insurance, and all this, doing all these kind of evil things that people do going through nasty divorces. So, and what will happen is people will read this, say, Tim, this says we can't do anything. We can't close bank accounts, change anything, pay off debts, et cetera, et cetera. Do we have to wait? No. So this is so it's not done in an evil way against the party. But if you guys have agreed to, sell your home, change beneficiaries, or change, bank accounts, or pay off debts, and you guys are doing that together, and no harm is being done to the other party, you don't have to worry about this section. Okay.